Hello everyone, welcome back. This is Lina. You have probably heard someone say air source heat pump can only be installed in new properties. So today let's talk about it. In fact, that's not true. Air source heat pump can be installed in both new and old properties as long as the home is properly insulated. New homes are usually well insulated, which makes heat pump work at high efficiency. It's easier to integrate them during construction rather than retrofitting later. But it doesn't mean they are only suitable for new properties. Air source heat pump can absolutely be installed in existing homes as well. And lots of installations across Europe are in retrofits. The key is making sure your house is well insulated and choose a heat pump system that can be easily integrated into the house. Our Hi-Master V Series heat pump is designed with flexible installation in mind. We've simplified the installation of the outdoor unit by integrating all the key components into it. To match different household needs, it offers 3 optional indoor units, including a control module, a compact and basic option that can control how your system operates. Hydro station, it is a balanced choice, offering additional functions and components, like an 8-liter expansion tank, 3-way valve, and 9-kilo auxiliary electric heater. Hydro tower, an all-in-one solution with a water pump, 200-liter water tank, and 19-liter expansion water tank. You can connect the outdoor and indoor units with just one power cable, one communication cable, 2 water pipes. No more complex wiring and piping. So it can easily adapt to different home layouts and installation scenarios, whether it is a new properties or a retrofit project. So to wrap up, air source heat pump are not just for new properties. With proper installation and the right system, like our Hi-Master V Series, heat pump can be a flexible and future-ready solution for almost any home. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to learn more about how a heat pump can work for your project, get in touch with us today. Bye-bye.